Hello friends, today's topic market crash continues, constant selling from FIIs. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. FIIs have been selling heavily in October so far. They have already sold stocks worth 81,000 crores in October. This is the highest per month in history. On an average, they have sold stocks worth 6,100 crore per day in October. In the period January to September 2024, FII had bought stocks worth rupees 500 crores daily on an average. Largest monthly outflows by FIIs. March 2020 minus 66,222 crores. June 2022 minus 49,468. May 2022 minus 41,178. February 2022 minus 37,688 crores. January 2022 minus 35,975 crores. January 2023 minus 29,949 crores. March 2022 minus 28,311 crores and October 2018 minus 27,622 crores. Majorly, FIIs are selling stocks in India, investing in China since Chinese stocks were trading at extremely good valuations compared to Indian markets. Chinese markets have rallied significantly in the last 1 month since there have been huge fund inflows from across the world. Nifty is down around 5% in the month of October 2023 and 6% down from its lifetime high. Similarly, mid-cap and small-cap indices have fallen around 5% so far. In the coming days, the mid-cap and small-cap stocks could fall further since more correction is due in the coming weeks and months. In the past too, FIIs sold heavily and at the time Indian markets had fallen significantly. Following are instances in the past when markets fell due to heavy selling by FIIs. Effects of FII selling. September-October 2008, FII selling 28,000 crores, approximate Nifty change minus 37%. February-March 2020, FII selling 78,000 crores, approximate Nifty change minus 30%. October 2024, 81,000 crores, minus 6% as of now. The market cap is much higher now than in 2008 or in 2020. Hence, this could be reason for the smaller fall in Nifty 50 index in spite of heavy selling by FIIs. Also, at the same time, DIIs have been investing heavily and have been able to cushion the market fall to a large extent. As of now, DIIs are using the money they have to buy continuously. However, if the FII selling continues for some months, then DIIs will run out of spare money to invest to support the markets. When markets go up a lot in the short period, then there will be some corrections due to profit booking. There need not be any major reason for the correction of markets. As of now, although the markets are at a level which was seen in August 2024, it feels like it has been correcting for a long time since it has been a long time since markets have traded sideways. Many new investors may also be disappointed with the recent performance of the markets. For long-term investors, market weakness should be welcome. If there is further correction in the coming few months, don't be surprised. In fact, you should prepare yourself mentally so that you can either face it boldly. If possible, you must also plan to invest some lump sum money in installments in stocks and mutual funds to take advantage of lower prices. If you panic when market falls, then it means that your understanding of the stock market is not as good as it should be. So make sure you spend more time learning about stock markets and mutual funds so that you become very comfortable with the fluctuations in the market. Here is an announcement. ಷೇರು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಈಗ ಪಾದಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈವ್ ಟುಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ನೈಟ್ 9 p.m. Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. Another video, here is the question. Have you been investing some money for long term during the last few days of correction? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.